catch ng attention ko yung mga tattoo mo.
Ah, okay.
Okay, pwede ko bang malaman meaning ng apat na yan?
Okay,
if you don't mind.
This one or ito? Lahat. So ito yung pinakauna kong tattoo. Kinuha ko to nung 1-year death anniversary ni Papa kasi it means La Fia Papa. La Fia Papa is Daddy's girl in French. And my dad's nickname was Franz. So, medyo kinonect ko siya. And then, itong tatlo naman, these are my 3 tattoos that I got in Bali. And they represent my chakras, my energy centers. So, this represents my power, this represents my heart, and this represents my intuition, my wisdom. So, it reminds me my time in Bali.
Isa ka ng ano talaga, no? Expert sa yoga, meditation, and everything. Pero may iba ka pa bang obsession? Bukod doon?
Ano pa
Yung
ba?
currently nag-occupy ng mind. Or time.
I love singing. I love singing. I love listening to music. I love dancing. You know, any kind of expression that we can do through art, that's very healing kasi. Singing, dancing, especially yung dancing na wala kang pakialam, this is very good for your body. Kasi sometimes in society, di ba, people can get judgmental, so minsan hindi tayo sumasayaw ng talagang all out. But I truly believe that dancing and singing your heart out, that can heal your soul naturally. Kasi it makes you express yourself without fear of judgment.